What's good, fam? It's been a minute. First thing first, I'm seeing a trade setup on EURUSD, so I'm just gonna take it now. I'm entering, I'm going for a buy, but by the way, just look at this spread, man. Like, yo, look at where I entered from. See where he took me in, bro. Like, Beans even took me in from the ask price. Like, literally, yo, I see what I'm saying. Some brokers. Just look at something. Look at something. Who entered a trade from that place? Yo, spread. That's why I don't like flipping accounts with Forex peers, all these things that have to do, anything that have to do with Forex or crypto or maybe gold, because the spread is too wide. So I'm just gonna aim for 1:2. Actually, I will go for just 1:2. So initially I was supposed to go for 1:3 because on my setup on TradingView, this is my setup on TradingView is gonna be on the right hand side here. So maybe I'll put it inside this video when editing it here, so for you to see. Initially the trade was supposed to be about over 1:3 plus 3R plus 3R plus. Look at where they got me in, bro. What can I do, fam? Anyways, as you can see, we are in. Actually, as you can see, I just remember I've actually lost. I really don't have time to trade. I've not been trading the accounts at all because, man, it's so hectic. Because I got to a point I was just like, and I've started this challenge already. Maybe I should just blow the account, just enter one big lot size without even looking at any trade, just taking any analysis. Like, maybe I should just look for any setup and just put like some crazy lot size and let the trade go against me, so that I just know that I've forgotten the challenge. But because I don't even have time to look at it, bro. Like, I'm just busy. Like, today I just felt like I must enter this account. I must enter this account and press anything, even if it is a buy or a sell. So that's why you see on the balance it is 6.15, and meanwhile on the last trade we have only took one trade and one loss. So it was supposed to be 8 something, if you guys remember. So but due to have not been trading the account today, I just felt like I just have to do something regardless. So I just entered any trade just anyhow. So that's how I got to this place, and I lost about $2 or maybe 1 point something dollars, maybe $2, right? So that's why the balance is remaining 6.15 USD, right? This is the setup I was supposed to wait for, but I just took that trade. I just felt like I want to take a trade on this particular account. So as you already know, you can't really do much once you place the trade. So I've got other things to do, so I can't really sleep here on my chat. I'll just go and but I'll be recording my screen continuously. So okay. Yo, we up $9.23, right? maybe I'll just be recording my screen. Trust me, I won't be here. I have other things to do, so I'll just put it on record and just go away and just go out, right? So I'll come back here. So but the screen record will still be running, if you know what I'm saying. So I'll catch you guys on anything that happens. I'll catch you guys later.
He shock you.
A few moments later.
Like I said, you all know, like I told you I won't be able to monitor the trade. So because even if I was monitoring the trade, what would I have done? Because I've already shifted my stop loss to break even. Yeah. So and that was what happened at last. As you can see, initially this is look at this. I'll put it anywhere on the screen. This is how the entry is supposed to be like here. This is what the entry is supposed to be like initially, but because of the widespread and the craziness of the broker here, like see where they got me in, and because initially, even though I actually had a slightly late entry though, or maybe should I call it too early entry, but the spread, because of this widespread, look at where they got me in. Because if I have just been below the price a bit, my stop loss or my break even wouldn't have been taken here. And no, anybody can actually say anything, say say I shouldn't have shifted my stop loss. I shifted my stop loss to break even too early. I did this, I did that. But bro, this is my own style of trading. This is not my first time of trying to grow an account, you feel me? So this is just a trade, you feel me? But it is just what it is, right? We're back at $6.15. This is the balance. We are up close to $10, but I was not here to close to even decide, you know what I'm saying? I was busy taking classes, running there, here, and everything, bro. That's why I really don't have time to even do this thing, because I'm even considering blowing the account and maybe just so that I'll just have space to rest. But I'll just try to see what's gonna happen, and I'll try to trade it conservatively regardless, and whatever happened to the account, you know. It's just what it is, you feel me? So by the way, the breakdown of this video, to cut the long story short, the breakdown of this particular setup I took, I don't want this particular video to be too long, so maybe I'll just record another video for the breakdown of this particular setup. You can see that the setup actually came through, like did work out, but because of the widespread and the break even, you feel me, that's why the trade literally didn't work out. If not, we would have arrived back to over $10. You feel me? We would have made about over $10 back for the equity, right? Both for the initial balance and the profit we would have made on this particular trade, right? So in case you want to learn how to trade here, you can just access my mentorship. Like the link to my mentorship courses will be in the description box below. You see all our banks mentorship here, all our banks mentorship courses. You feel me? This is straightforward technical analysis. I'm trying to it is my new what should I call it? It is new, so I'm still trying to arrange it. The most basics is not actually included yet. This one is just for the technical part alone, the technical analysis, from the basics of technical analysis to how to literally everything you want to know, right? You can actually trade from here if you already know the basics of forex or maybe crypto, anything. Like maybe you already know about leverage, you already know about margin, free margin, and anything. But after this video, I'm still working on it. Like I said, after this particular video, that's the only thing I have to do on the course here, because there are some people who are absolutely beginners here. So, but even though you are beginners, you can actually take the particular course that is there presently, because but the thing is, it is just based on technical analysis alone, but I actually give you some basic orientation for the start, and I can't just jump into technical analysis just like that. So you can actually go there, just click the link below and access the mentorship, and you feel me, and trade by yourself, make money. And lastly, the link to my free Telegram community will be down below. It will be down below the description of this particular video or any of my video here. So you can actually join us. I post free trades there, trade updates, literally anything about trading, and so you don't want to miss out, you feel me. So most importantly, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I appreciate those that have already subscribed to this channel. God bless you all. And if you haven't done that yet, please do make sure you smash the like button now and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That is it for now. So our balance again 6 points. I don't know. So just like, subscribe, and stay tuned, you feel me. So peace.